Boom! And see what time I clock and see what time I knock. Today I have a goldie and I'm gonna make 2 bowl out of this. Look on the size of this goldie. Big don't. I pass and see it and I'm just boom. I get it and bust it. So I have a saw right here. First I go do one of them. But I know say I try to cut it evenly so I can get 2 bowl out of it. I don't know, maybe them ain't work out because them might be whole. What do you think? Yeah, them might be whole, so it might not working out. Better I just cut it and make one big bowl and done, right? Cut the boy also. Alright, so. That look deep enough. That look max enough, right? I cut the boy also. What do you think? Leave in the comments if I do it right. What's me I do it? I know they did that shape, you know. I saw them do it. Alright thing me I do. And this is no one. That's how they did our new sign. I don't want to cut off a figure that better start. So I have to try to get this 30, tan 30 from big man. Alright, look now, get in right now. Yo, this is harder than it looks. You need 2 somebody. If you want somebody that hold it for me, well, that's good. Sure. No, if I saw them do it now, no tell me. How what they use and cut it? This is a shake up the thing. It shake, it shake. Jada Kingdom. She's so big, don't. So I want to cut it smooth, you know. But I can use that. Once it dry, I can use a sandpaper and sand it. Come on, thing. Don't. It can move too much, man. Batty boy. Sure. Can't bother me all the time, man. Yeah, embarrass me. I want to think. Yo, man, Anna at me already. Because I don't want tan 30. Tan 30 little girl, tan 30. Tan 30 little girl, tan 30. See if I move. That's it. Love, man. Hey, good, you know. Love, man, you know. Come on. Work with me. 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 Spin it. Work with me. Got you. Spin it a little more. Come on. So once I open it up, I have to scrape out the inside. No, don't afraid to leave comment, you know. Tell me what I do wrong. First I do it, I learn on the job. Nobody didn't show me. So I left all the comments when I want and tell me. Speak your mind. Or forever with your peace. Remember, you know, I'm me alone, you know. On the Offgrid there. And I can't survive by myself on the Offgrid by myself. That's why I have to make on one utensils, on one pattern, on a plate. And you can't survive. I think this cut enough. Look how inside stay. Oh, look at that. Gross. So now I have to go scoop it out and thing. But I not do it here, so I do it over there because it smells bad. Alright, I get something to scoop it out. Let's move over to the next spot now. Alright, there one nice another little spot. I find a wooden spoon here. I don't know how hard it is to scoop out. try to get the sides so we can just get out a whole big piece at once. Oh yeah, it's not that bad. Click that over there, so. Alright, that's how it look. Remember, say everything have to go clean out down to the skin part, and then we're gonna leave it in the sun, make it dry. But this is a nice size bowl, what do you think? I'm gonna scrape it out. I use a wooden spoon that I'm not want to scratch it up too much. So that's why I use a wooden utensil, yeah. I don't want to damage it and scrape it up. And plus, you know, say, I don't have no metal spoon on the Offgrid, yeah. There's some plastic spoon. The most I have everything else a wooden spoon. So I have to, you know, as Jamaican, I have to use what I have. I have one to use. So now I clean this up and show now what I want. Alright. But how it looks so far? I think I did it right, because the other side never looks so wonderful. Look like some hole that I'm making it, so cut it right perfectly now. A nice size bowl. Can drink all soup out of this. What do you think? Once this dry and clean up the right way, you know that when you come on the farm, you drink some soup out of this, tell me. Leave all type of cabbage. Leave all, you know, anything will come to your mind, just leave it down there and tell me. Yeah, don't be shy. Don't be afraid. Don't be scared. Yeah, man, just talk your mind. How you feel about my Offgrid lifestyle when I try right now? You see me? Try to live Offgrid like a rasta. No beef, no pasta. Yeah, now I'm like a size bowl. So I clean it up some more and then I'm going to show you